What's up, guys? A very tragic morning. Um, I'm kind of bummed out. 2 days ago, on July 3, I lost my GoPro. I thought I had it. I thought I brought I put it in my bag because I'm pretty sure I did. And when I decided to check my bag yesterday, it wasn't in there. I couldn't find it in my house. I made a drop it. I don't know, because I was 100% sure that I put it in my bag because I was there. So it's not like me to just leave things, you know, behind. I'm always checking, always. Very tragic because I feel like now I gotta use my phone to record my videos, and it's not a like my phone is not a bad quality. It's just the fact that the memory in my phone. So I have to take less pictures when I fish. I have to try to reduce the quality of the video. It's not easy, especially because I suffer from like anxiety, and sometimes my anxiety like goes up and it just fucking kills me. And honestly, fishing has helped me a lot with that, especially has taught me how to be patient. And if I have issues at home or had a bad day, I will go fishing and it will help me relax. A lot of people may see it as like it could be an old man sport, but trust me, if you get into fishing, you're not getting out of it. It does help. It teaches you patience. It's not like you get a cast and you just gotta stand there. There's different ways of fishing, from throwing lures and plastic lures, throwing poppers, and just sitting there and waiting for the fish to bite. Different type of feeling in every way. Even just waiting there, just trying to chillax, relax, waiting for the fish to bite. That's not bad either. Unless you get bored easy, you can throw a lure or two. It takes a while. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you have good days, sometimes you don't. Yeah, I had a very complicated week. I'm not gonna lie, I'll deny that. Kind of affected me in a mental way where honestly I felt like quitting fishing and stop making videos. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I don't want to give up. I have to bust my ass. I know I will have to wait a little bit just to start making videos with the proper equipment, but I'm gonna use my phone, try to make the best of it. Especially now that I have a kid, I can be wasting money like that. So I gotta think about his health and his benefits first, then myself. Anyways, getting to this spot, looking for my GoPro. I'm gonna post a video right next to me. I found a striped bass. It seems fresh. It's not decomposed. Less than 28 inches. And I found this weight nearby. So at first I thought like maybe someone got the fish out and got it stuck. But just thinking about it, the distance between this weight and the striped bass is the fact that someone was fishing there recently, maybe like 2-3 hours ago, where they wanted to keep the fish even though it wasn't the right size, and decided to hide it in case they would have got in trouble. And because they probably were drinking or whatever the fuck they were under the influence of, or they just didn't give a fuck, or they forgot, they left it behind, and the striped bass ended up dying. And that's not good for the the fishing community, because you gotta let this fish go and grow. That's what they make regulations. They changed the regulations. Striped bass 28 to 31 inches, and even porgies is 9.5 on short. It's 9.5 to all the way up. So really sad. Really, really, really. Anyways, yeah, please don't do that. Obey the fishing regulation. Fuck what anyone say. If they tell you keep the fish or let me keep the fish, don't give it to them. Let them go. I get it that nobody cares what the Department of New York City on fishing and wildlife don't give a fuck. But they'll fucking do it. I'm tired of seeing these massacres.